Hello, good morning, guys. So I'm on my way to Pilates. It's after 6, but I'm running late because it's like 45 minutes away drive, and I have a gym close by me, but I just like that one day, so I'm traveling that far because I have vertigo. I gotta cover my ear when I go outside because it is so cold. But guys, here's my Pilates fit with my white shoes, and I'm ready to go to Pilates. I'm gonna put on my thermal water. I'm actually making a tea right now, and so I'm drinking the Caribbean style tea, herbal tea with some honey. I really need to stop drinking so much tea because my teeth, when you drink so much tea, it affects the color of your teeth. So you see, it's not like sparkling white, but hey, I love tea. I no longer drink coffee because coffee just keeps me up, keeps my brain running too much. So I am making my tea, and then I'm gonna head out to Pilates. So I bought this on Amazon. I probably need to buy another one because it's almost done, guys. I think it's about a month now since I bought it. I'm gonna take my tea and then I'm gonna take my water. Oh, guys, when you're in Pilates, you don't really get to drink water, but hey. I am taking this. Drink my water. So I'm waiting on the hot water to be heated up, and then I'll be ready. Yes. I was supposed to make Gabby her spaghetti yesterday, but there was too much food. My husband bought Popeyes for us. I was making curry chicken and rice. Her sister ordered food. I'd order McDonald's, and I'm like, that's why in America you have to be obese. That was just too much food in the house, and I did not want to. We'll make our spaghetti on top. I think this hot water is heated up, hopefully, because I don't need it to be that hot. I just need something warm because of my vertigo and I'm going to exercise. Definitely going to need something warm. All right. The tea is ready, and we're ready to go. We're ready to go. First, I need to find my car keys. I don't know where I put my car keys, guys. Oh. Check. All right. So guys, I've made it. I'm early, like probably 4 minutes. It's not a cold outside, so I took off my jacket and put it up and take the stuff over my head because it's 46 degrees. It's not that cold. It's not cold for me in Maryland. And I'm off, so I'll see you later. Bye.